Today, I'm going to show you 4 transitions from your flare, each of which has a different feel and a different flow. Flare to double leg blender. To perform this flare transition, as you transfer from hand 1 to hand 2, the leg now closest to the floor on leg 2 should drag on the floor. I'm aiming for my calf muscle before bringing my knees together, keeping my hips elevated and performing the double leg blender. Flare, heel plant, figure 4 recliner pose. Similar to the last transition, but instead of placing the calf down, you're going to place the heel. Once you plant the heel on the ground, press firmly with the heel and the hands to elevate your butt a little bit higher, continuing through with a powerful swing all the way to the end of the opposite leg. As the leg makes contact for the figure 4, drive both knees upwards, giving height to what's essentially a cross-legged flare at the front. Flare, double-legged flow, chair roll, pop. This transition in particular is made up of 4 component parts: the flare, the double-legged flow, the chair roll and the pop. This flare transition starts from when you place your third hand down. The leg that swung first continues all the way through, whilst the leg that's behind bends and you slide forward on the calf muscle. You then transfer your weight onto your starting hand once again, going into a stab tabletop position before using the momentum to pop and push up, and then essentially land on your feet or go into whatever transition you would like to. Flare, heel plant setup, teddy bear roll. This transition uses the same heel plant setup as we've done before. The only difference is that when you place the heel down, you have to swing, stay strong in your heels, and transition to the other heel. Placing the hand down, rolling down the side of the body, kicking the leg over the head, driving the body backwards, continuing all the way over the shoulder, placing the foot on the floor before pushing and using the hands and the momentum to stand up again. I would advise learning the teddy bear roll in isolation on its own first. This teddy bear roll could be done continuously.